showed you money you didn't work for. Not a side hustle. Not freelancing. A system that runs without you. I built one, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. 6 months ago, I had a simple question. Could I build something that earns money while I sleep? Using only free and low-cost AI tools? No dropshipping, no agency, no selling courses. Just automation, content, and compounding. So I ran an experiment. 90 days, a budget under $200, and a system built entirely from scratch. Here's what happened. The problem most people have with passive income is they think it means no work. It doesn't. It means front-loading the work so future you doesn't have to do it. But here's the real issue. Most people never get to that front-loaded phase. They burn out before the system kicks in. Why? Because they're doing everything manually. Writing every word, recording every video, posting every day by hand. That's not a business. That's a second job. I wanted something different. I wanted a machine. So let me show you the stack. It has 5 layers. Layer 1 is the brain. That's the AI that writes everything. Scripts, titles, descriptions, hooks. All of it generated from a single topic input. Layer 2 is the voice. A text-to-speech engine that sounds like a real human narrator. No microphone, no recording booth. Just text in, audio out. Layer 3 is the visuals. Stock footage pulled automatically based on keywords from the script. No camera, no editing timeline. The system assembles the video. Layer 4 is the thumbnail and SEO layer. AI generates the thumbnail text, pulls the tags, writes the description, and formats the upload metadata. Layer 5 is the scheduler. It queues everything and posts on a set cadence. Twice a week. Every week. Without me touching it. Together these 5 layers take a topic and turn it into a published YouTube video in under an hour of active work. That's the machine. Now let me walk you through the first 30 days. Week 1 I was still building. Setting up tools. Connecting APIs. Testing voices. Getting the video template locked in. Nothing posted yet. $0. But the system was taking shape. Week 2, I published the first 3 videos. Views were low, single digits on some of them. But that was expected. YouTube takes time to index new channels. Week 3, something shifted. One video started climbing. It hit 200 views in a day. Not viral, but real traction. By the end of week 4, I had 12 videos live. The channel was growing. And the first monetization signal appeared. Not ad revenue yet. Something else. I'll get to that in a second. Month 2 was about refinement. I noticed the AI was writing scripts that were too formal, too stiff. So I adjusted the prompts, made them conversational, shorter sentences, more hooks. Watch time went up. I also started A/B testing thumbnails. Simple changes. Different colors, different fonts. The click-through rate nearly doubled on the videos with cleaner designs. By the end of month 2, the channel had passed the threshold for affiliate partnerships in the niche. That was the first income stream. Not huge, but it was there. Money while I slept. Month 3, the ad revenue started stacking. The channel wasn't massive, but it was consistent. 2 videos a week, every week. No burnout, because the system was doing the heavy lifting. By day 90, the experiment was complete. Here are the real numbers. 90 days. 24 videos published. Channel monetized. First month of revenue, $412. Not life-changing. But it proved the model works. And here's what matters more than the number. The system didn't stop at day 90. It kept running. Month 4 was higher. Month 5 was higher again. That's compounding. That's what the machine does. So what's the takeaway? You don't need to be on camera to build a YouTube channel. You don't need to record your voice. You don't need to edit videos for hours. What you need is a system. A workflow that handles the repetitive work so you can stay focused on strategy. The tools exist right now. Most of them are free or close to it. The barrier isn't money. It's knowing how to connect the pieces. In the next video, I'm going to break down the exact tools in each layer of this stack. Free options, paid options, what I actually use and why. I'll also show you the prompt template I use to generate scripts in under 5 minutes. If you want that breakdown, subscribe and hit the notification bell, because that video is coming this week, and you don't want to miss the part about the voice model. That one alone cut my production time in half. See you in the next one.